here we have a special discussion on both the industrial revolution and how it's affecting Sri Lanka, and also all the dimensions. But let me also introduce now the special day. We just opened FabLab Makandura Foundation website. So here the first FabLab in Sri Lanka. Of course, you all of you know FabLab is the international movement. We wrote down that in Sri Lanka we have been doing this work for the last 3 years, but this time we have a real physical lab installed or started in Makandura area. So we are looking forward to a lot of work. But before, let me introduce Dr. Greshan Fernando. Greshan is a senior engineer at Boeing Cor in the US, Seattle, US, and he is in Sri Lanka for Revaluation lab also to do other work. He's a engineering, industrial engineering, designing and manufacturing, and now he's also the Director FabLanka Foundation. So welcome Greshan to the thank you for the meeting and the discussion. So it's special to have you in Sri Lanka as well as opening for this one. So first of all, let me ask you, you talk about fourth industrial revolution. So what is fourth industrial revolution and how it's affecting us?
Yeah, so the fourth industrial revolution is actually emerging technologies in the digital manufacturing sector, and also the connection of everything in the world using a platform called Internet of Things, or IoT. So now with this technology, there's going to be a lot of disruption to the existing technologies, of course, just like in any other revolution. But most importantly, the benefits of the fourth industrial revolution is widespread compared to the other first and second industrial revolution. When I say widespread, that means people will gain the capabilities and abilities to make things much easier, perhaps in their own homes in the near future, with the help of this emerging technologies of fourth industrial revolution.
Okay, now when we talk about fourth industrial revolution, about connecting everything together, global as well as digital, and other applications like robotic technology, artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, nanosciences. Now, but here our focus has been digital fabrication, 3D printing, and FabLab. Right. Can you elaborate on that area?
Yes. So the FabLab is a concept originated by Massachusetts Institute of Technology, or MIT, in USA. They started this concept where FabLab could make almost anything that you want to make. So they try to have a small facility, like a small room, with all advanced machineries like 3D printers, laser cutters, and all sort of digitally controlled machines. And then use those machines to make almost anything that you want to have in the future. So that was the initial concept. Actually, it was started in 2006. So since the start, it has been implemented by so many other countries, especially in Europe. There are so many fab labs in Europe that are in operation today, and there are and also in some developed countries like in Africa, Kenya, and also in some Asian countries like India, Pakistan, Afghanistan, and so it has been widespread, but still it hasn't gained much popularity, and due to various reasons, of course. So in Sri Lanka, we are trying to adapt that same concept, and then make a network and actually an infrastructure that uses fourth industrial revolution machineries and technologies to basically make almost anything utilizing local resources, local talent, local knowledge, and then perhaps the local materials as well.
Collaborating
And also, yeah, of course, the collaboration is the key here. So we will be collaborating globally with all other Fab Labs and maybe other institutions as well around the world. And then we will get the support from a lot of professionals around the world, and maybe Sri Lankan expatriates and also other foreign nationals. And we will get them connected to this FabLab network, and that's why we started the FabLanka Foundation. Just to do that. So our aim is to open FabLabs like these around the country in Sri Lanka, and then connect them globally with other institutions and other
mentioned benefits, excitement and development happening, but when it comes to a country like Sri Lanka, we have not been, I won't say traditionally, but as for now, for last 20 years, you don't see much manufacturing or manufacturing considered to be like very something from exactly. So, what are the challenges as you see now? As I correctly mentioned, objective of application FabLanka Foundation is to bring back that maybe lost heritage and even digitalizing manufacturing.
Yeah.
But what are the challenges that you can see in a country like Sri Lanka, and particularly we are having this out of Colombo.
Right.
So when we invite people from this part of the country, what are the challenges we see?
Yeah, I think the main challenge is keeping the interest of people who are going to be joining here. Like the students who will be coming here, we have to keep them engaged and keep them keep them enthusiastic, enthused with what we are trying to do. So that's a major challenge, because I think I heard from several people in Sri Lanka that especially the younger generation, they tend to look for easier ways to make money. So this is not something like that. So we have to kind of they have to look to the future here. Because it's not something that you can realize the benefits immediately. It takes some time and some effort. So that's a major challenge, to keep them interested with the technology, and then keep them engaged. And actually, we have to do a very good job in inspiring them to get connected with the FabLab network. That's the
final kind of comment and question now. You can see from the background, we have already some printer, computers, connections to the world, and a lot of other stuff, and we will also get more stuff by end of June.
Yeah.
Now, so the idea is, now this is an open place, this is still a free place for communities, and it's a very technologically advanced place, plus this is also very relaxed place. We don't only invite people with technology background, all kind of background, stage. People can just walk in and have a look and see what we are doing here. And so if I want to ask you the final message to excuse me sir, we are in an interview, so you can come to the later. So finally, what is your message to people who are watching this, and also people who invite to come later?
Yeah, so the message is actually, you have to get, because this is going to be a disruptive technology. If you don't pay attention, then whether you like it or not, you will have difficulties in the future, like finding a job or finding the required income to make a life. So everyone should pay attention to what's happening in the world with this emerging fourth industrial revolution.
And you are saying it's inevitable, even if you like it or not.
Yeah, whether you like it or not, you will face the
consequences.
Yes, consequences. So the consequences can be made beneficial to them if you pay attention and then engage with us, and then learn the new technologies, and then try to get the young people engaged with us, and encourage them and inspire them to join us, and basically that's the only way, I think, to sustain living conditions in the future. So that's so it's like whether you like it or not, this is something that's happening with it. It's out of your control, of course. So only thing is we have to jump into that and then get all the benefits out of it.
So let me just recap what Greshan said now. I think it was Peter Ducker who said there are three types of people. People who make things happen, people who see what's happening around them, and people who wonder what happened. So now maybe during last three industrial revolution we were like people who wondered what happened in Sri Lanka. So we invite you all to engage and make both industrial revolution happen in your backyard, in your life, and also thank you very much. Thank you for joining. Take a picture.